So we've cleaned up a lot of things, and thinking about the city of Memphis and the policemen, and if you work in the garden, you know we clean weeds, we get rid of old trash in the garden. It's just a part of gardening. And sometimes we have to clean up the weeds and clean out in governments and city departments when people abuse their power and they are negligent and they do not honor their code of ethics to protect and serve. And so the policemen who did this and all those who are involved, I hope that they will get the fullest extent of the law and that all will be brought to justice, and that Tyre Nichols will receive justice as well, because his name will never be forgotten.